Good morning, students. Welcome to your ESL class. Now, in ESL class, we will just learn new things that will help you enhance your English language. Okay, so you just have to practice speaking and reading. Apart from what we are doing in the textual syllabus, this is no burden. We will just enjoy learning it and we will learn new things. Okay, now for today, what we will learn school vocabulary. Now, first of all, let me explain you the meaning of vocabulary. Vocabulary means a group of words from which the language is formed. Now, see, I am speaking so many words like hello, students. Today we are starting ESL. Now, all these group of words, they form the vocabulary of English language. So, wherever you go, a different place, there will be a different set of words, a different set of things that will be used, that will form its vocabulary. Now, we are starting from the very basic. Okay, we will just try to learn some different words. Now, these words you already know. You have already been using these words. Let us understand the meaning, and so you can use it better. You will know it better. Now, okay, just see this picture. Just see this picture. This is such a happy picture. A girl and a boy. They are going somewhere. Do you know where they are? Where are they going? Can you see the place and can you just name it where they are going? They are going to the school. Now, I know you all are missing the school. You all want to come to the school. So, I thought that I will prepare such a presentation that you will enjoy it, and at the same time, you will learn some new things. Okay, then, okay, see, where are these kids sitting? Can you see this? These kids are sitting and the teacher is teaching them. Where are they sitting? Are they sitting on the sofa? Are they sitting on their bed? Are they sitting on the dining table? No, these are the benches. Okay, now see, there will be a wooden table, but it has a different name according to the different use. You will have a wooden sitting table at your home, your study table, that will be different. The table that we have at school, the study table, then the benches, the chairs, that will be different. These are the benches and the chairs. Okay, now let us see some pictures that we use daily in the school. Okay, can you just see the picture? All of you have it. Okay, if you are a student, you all will have this picture, have this thing. Just see, there are so many things. Okay, now students, here what you will do, pause the video and try to name 5 things in the picture. Okay, you have to pause the video over here and by yourself try to name any 5 things that you can see in this picture. Okay, again here there are some different things. A part of stationery, then there is one edible. Edible means that we can eat. So you have to identify that as a student, which are the things of your use, and you have to try to name them. Again here, see this picture. See, there are some pictures that you won't be able to identify. Okay, I have purposely put such pictures. And then there are some pictures that you will be able to identify. Okay, so you have to see such pictures and you just have to name the pictures that you can identify. Okay, I think this all of you have used, all of you have these items. Okay, so again you have to try to name them. Now students, the reason that I am giving you these activities, the 4 pictures that I have given, that you have to see it and try to name by yourself is because that will enhance your vocabulary. Like I said, the names of the things, the different words in the language that you are using every day, but you don't know its meaning or you don't know its importance. So you have to use such words. You should know the meaning of the words that you use daily. Now let me tell you. Okay, first of all, you all are studying so many subjects. These are the school subjects vocabulary, which are the subjects that we study in a school. See, maths. Okay, now students, here we are following the UK English. Okay, in UK English we call it maths, but in the US English it is called math. Okay, because math is the short form of mathematics. The subject that we study, maths, it is the short form. Short form means इसका छोटा नाम है, short form. Like you all have a pet name at your home. Maths is the short form of mathematics. Then art, craft, coloring, that you all are doing. Then English. So English is the language, the base language in which you all are studying all the subjects except the language subject, Hindi and Gujarati. All other subjects you are studying in English. Then music, history. Okay, so these subjects you will be introduced to when you go to the higher classes. History, where we will learn about the past. Then science. Science, see, you have started the basics of science. You have started with EVS. It is just the basic of science. When you move forward, you will learn about the different parts of science. Then geography. Geography is when you learn about the different parts of the world, of the country, and the details about it. Then information technology. Okay, we are already studying a subject on this. We are studying computers. Yes, now that is related to information technology. Then biology. Like I told, see, you are studying the basic, the parts of the body, the sense organs. This is the basic part of biology. Then drama. Drama means some acting or the skits. Then swimming. Okay, these are some co-curricular activities also which are the part of the education. Physical education, that is PT, exercise and games. So this is the school buildings vocabulary. Now our school is very big. It will have different parts, of the building, different rooms. The schoolyard where we play games. Then the principal's office. A classroom where you will sit and study. The music room where you practice music. Then the art room where you practice art and craft, drawing, coloring. And the computer room where there are so many computers where you can see and practice on the computers. Now, the activity that I gave you all to do, that you have to pause the slide and you have to name the objects. So these are some classroom objects, the stationery that you are normally using in the classroom and for the schools. Okay, let us name some. This is the book and this is the notebook. Now what is the difference? Suppose your English 2 fragrance textbook, that is called the book, and the notebook is in which you write. In the book it is already printed. The words, the letters are printed and there are pictures. The notebook, it has different lines for you to write and you have to write in it. Then dictionary. What is a dictionary? In which you can find the meaning of the words. File in which you can file your papers, your project work. School bag in which you carry all your books, compass, tiffin, that is your school bag. Then pen we use for writing. Then crayons, which you use for coloring. Then pencil, with which you all write now leaves. Okay, then there are click pencils, in which you have to put the lead. The lead of the pencil is through which you can write, which gives the grey color when you write. That is called the lead. Then pencil case, or what you all call as the compass box, in which you keep your pencil, eraser, scale. Then eraser, with which you erase what you have written. Ruler means a scale. Then glue means through which you can stick something, adhesive. Then scotch tape, this is also called the cello tape, you all might know that word. That is called the scotch tape, with which it is also used for sticking. Then pencil sharpener, with which you sharpen your pencils. So now students, today I have taken this activity based topic. Okay, so what you have to do, see all the slides, try to name the different things. Okay, just increase your word knowledge. Okay, just try to learn the new words, try to pronounce it the way I am doing. Okay, that is just your today's activity. And then we will continue in the next class.